Cooking with JB, the barbecue man. Fellow pitmasters, like and subscribe. I've never been told that I was a smart man, 'cause I'm going against someone who maybe I shouldn't. But I gotta grill this. I gotta.
Don't fuck with the chuck.
Well, guess what, buddy? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fuck with the chuck. Roast, that is. Well, hello there, my friends. It's been a while since I made a video, and look what I got now. A char griller Grand Champion XD barbecue pit. Got a water pan in there. The temperature's probably gone down significantly, but it was right at 250. I got some post oak and mesquite in the firebox. I got it, the vent open to about right there. And I'm doing something that I've been advised against doing. This is a prime Wagyu chuck roast. And I just got it seasoned up. It's right at 3 pounds, and it is going on the pit today. So let's see how we do it. Alright, there she is. She's on. I'm starting this cook at 12:30. We'll check on it here in a little bit, see how she's looking. And you guys won't have to wait, because it'll be through the miracle of movie magic. Hey guys, so just real quick, what I wanted to talk about when it comes to chuck roast is this kind of hybrid type of meat, somewhere between a steak and a brisket. It's, as far as a cut of meat goes, it's kind of in the middle. It's not the best. You probably don't want to grill it hot and fast like a steak, but it's not so tough and void of fat that you really want to cook it exactly like a brisket. So for this type of cook, it's kind of a hybrid. And what we're going to do today is how I like to make chuck roast, and hopefully it comes out the way that I like to eat chuck roast. Alright everybody, that's the temp we're running at right now. It's been 1 hour. Let's go ahead and open her up. It's looking pretty good for an hour. Starting to get set on the outside. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Slide it on down. Oops, sorry about that, guys. So that's how it's looking at the hour mark. I'm going to probe it here in probably 30 minutes, 45 minutes, see what that temp's at, and then probably get it in some aluminum foil. Alright, I'm back outside in the wind and the smoke and the rain, but I'm doing it for you guys. Just kidding. I'm doing it because I felt like barbecuing today. Let's go ahead and open the pit up. Alright, it's at the hour-and-a-half mark. Here we go. Let's get a probe out. Probe this side. 142. It's pretty close on both sides. About 142. I'm going to let it run about 30 more minutes, I think. And then wrap it. And when I wrap, I'm going to put about a half a stick of butter. I'm going to melt it down, not completely liquid. And I'm going to put a half a stick of butter in that aluminum foil. And then place that chuck roast inside to let it finish cooking in the aluminum foil. Alright, I'm back outside in the wind and the smoke and the rain, but I'm doing it for you guys. Just kidding. I'm doing it because I felt like barbecuing today. Let's go ahead and open the pit up. Alright, It's at the hour-and-a-half mark. Here we go. Let's get a probe out. Probe this side. $142. It's pretty close on both sides. About 142. I'm gonna let it run about 30 more minutes, I think, and then wrap it. And when I wrap, I'm gonna put about a half a stick of butter. I'm gonna melt it down, not completely liquid, and I'm gonna put a half a stick of butter in that aluminum foil, and then place that chuck roast inside to let it finish cooking in the aluminum foil. Okay guys, here is my sheet of aluminum foil. That's about a half a stick of butter. Hit it in the microwave for about 8 to 10 seconds. It will become very pliable, and then you just kind of move it around the aluminum foil, just like if you were putting beef tallow down or ghee or, you know, some other form of lard, some other form of fat. But for this cook, I'm using butter. So let's take this outside to the pit and put the chuck roast in the aluminum foil. Okay guys, let's probe it again and see what we're looking at now. Okay, it's still holding at about 142. It's actually gone down a little bit. Could be because it's hitting its form of the stall. So let's go ahead and put it in that aluminum foil. All right, it's on the foil. Pull the wrapping. I have so many airplanes flying over. It's not even funny, guys. Constantly. This is the second time I've gone outside, and I only film in like 30 to 1 minute increments. Second time I've been filming when an airplane's flown over. Unbelievable. Roll it over. Close it up there. All right, back on. Let's let it roll. All right, everyone. You've hit the 3-hour mark. Look at that. I'm actually not going to pull that. I'm going to let it run a little bit longer. It's still a little firm in some places, but it's looking good. It's very close. And we'll pull it and we'll let it rest. Okay, everybody, the chuck roast has been pulled. It's now inside in my kitchen. It's rested for about 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and open the aluminum foil. Chocolate chips are yummy? Yes, they are. All right, guys. There it is. So let's slice into it and see how it looks. For me, that's exactly how I like it. It's still got some consistency to it, but that's what I want. I don't want it to just pull apart because I like it to actually be a little bit more like steak. That's that hybrid part that I was talking about. Guys, the light is crazy in there. So let's take a bite. It's beefier tasting than brisket, if that makes sense. But it's good. It's very good. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And I'll definitely be doing another one in the future. Sorry, Chucky. I do like the chuck, and I will mess with the chuck. Thanks for watching, everybody.